Cell cycle. It is a process in which the constituents of cell, that is DNA, and its organelles divide and or replicate, and after that the whole cell divides by dividing the nucleus. And there are two phases, mainly two phases in cell cycle, that is interphase and divisional phase. But before that, let us define what is generation time. Generation time is referred to the total time taken by an organism to complete the cell cycle. For normal human beings, it is for 24 hours, and for yeast it is only merely about 90 minutes. And now let us go back to interphase and divisional phase. Interphase occupies 95% of the total cell cycle, whereas divisional phase only takes at least only 5% of the cell cycle. And interphase is known as highly active phase than divisional phase, because the reason of 95, it occupies 95% of cell cycle. And in interphase there is no cell division, but in divisional phase there is cell division. And there are mainly four phases in total cell cycle, that is G1 phase, and after that comes S phase, then comes G2 phase, and the last one is M phase. G1 phase is known as gap 1 phase or growth 1 phase or post mitotic phase, that is post M phase, and pre synthetic phase, that is pre S phase. And S phase, as you know, is known as synthetic phase. And G2 phase is known as gaps 2 phase, growth 2 phase, or post synthetic phase or pre mitotic phase. In G1 phase there are different things that occur. The first one is the formation of nucleotide. It is made up of sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate. And nitrogenous base can be of four types: adenosine, guanosine, cytosine, and thymine. According to this, there are four types of nucleotide, that is DATP, DGTP, DCTP, and DTTP, according to different types of nitrogenous base. And the other process that occurs in G1 phase is DNA polymerase and formation of amino acid. And after G1 phase, the cell decides that if he should go in the next S phase or he should go back to G0 phase. G0 phase is a small phase included in G1 phase that comes after M phase. If the cell goes in G0 phase, it can be permanent or it can be for partial time. And after the cell goes into S phase, there are many processes, like from S to G2 phase, that we will discuss in next video. Thank you.